How you doing? This is Coach DeCarlo. This coming Friday, Friday the 13th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, I'm going to be hosting a free course, and the course is going to be called Money Agreements. Now, what's the benefit of this course for you? Many of us don't realize that we've made certain agreements about money, and these agreements are keeping us from manifesting abundance. And so, for example, I had a client recently who was dealing with money agreements, and I helped her get into a different state, change her money agreements, and within less than 72 hours, she called me back and said that her employer had offered her a raise. Now, that was because she made a shift in her money agreement. And we'll talk more about what transpired in her shift and how she began to have a employer reach out to her and offer her a raise. Now, this employer had not offered her a raise prior to her shifting her money agreements. What's holding you back? What agreements have you agreed to, even unbeknownst to yourself, that's keeping you stuck? If you're interested in this course, this is going to be part of a larger course. Now, the larger course, of course, is going to be a paid course. And if you don't get in this course by Friday, this is not going to be posted out on YouTube. This is going to be part of a paid course. So you'll be paying for this module after Friday. If you want recordings of this module, you'll be paying for it. But if you want to be a part of the free audience to listen to this course and add your input, then go to the manifestation course at gmail.com and say money, and then say sign me up. Again, go to the manifestation course at gmail.com, say money, and sign me up. And you'll be added to the list. Now, you must sign up before midnight Thursday evening, which is the 12th. If you're not signed up by the 12th, I'm not going to be adding new people on Friday morning because it takes too much to get ready for a workshop. And that's what I'm going to be focusing on that morning. But again, what we're going to be talking about Friday, 1 p.m. Eastern time, is your money agreements. And like I said, many of us don't even realize I had money agreements for years that kept me broke, busted, and disgusted and kept me from manifesting my good. But once those money agreements changed, my income doubled, tripled, quadrupled. And I'm not, fabricating. I'm not trying to exaggerate. This is truly what happened. But as long as I was operating out of those particular money agreements, it kept me at a low place, and I didn't think that I could make anything more than I was making. I had a client recently, and like I said, within 72 hours, she was getting a raise from her employer simply because she changed her money agreements. Now, what I'm not promising you that overnight money's going to fall out of the sky. Sometimes the process is longer depending upon the individual. Some people, just because they've changed their money agreements, they start getting better opportunities, work opportunities, relationship opportunities. But you first have to look at your money agreements. So we will look at those Friday the 13th at 1 p.m. Eastern time. For those who are interested, go to the manifestation course at gmail.com, say money, sign me up. This is Coach DeCarlo saying have a great and abundant day.